Look at my beautiful flowers. Yes, my zinnias. Y'all looking beautiful. Look at you. Okay, zinnias. More zinnias growing over here too. Looking beautiful. Look at my asparagus. More asparagus coming. Beautiful zinnias. Look at that beautiful butterfly. Okay, butterfly. I have a pineapple that has ripened. Look how yellow you are. One thing I wish you would have gotten a lot bigger. Look like I need to harvest you soon. You're probably gonna be real sweet. Okay, pineapple. My Jamaican sorrel is growing. Come on. Today's harvest, cucumbers and asparagus. More to come. Sweet potatoes. Slips are everywhere in this bed. I hope I have a big harvest of sweet potatoes soon. Look at here, look at here. My first cantaloupe of the season is growing. Look at you. I didn't see you at first. Okay. Okay, come on. Come on, cantaloupes. Grow a lot for us. See a lot of blooms over here. Let me look under here, see, make sure I didn't miss any more cantaloupes that's growing. But I'm glad to see you. Come on. Come on, more growth.